In this video, I will be showing you two easy methods to download Netflix on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. Type Store in the Windows search bar. Now click on Microsoft Store app. Once you are in the Microsoft Store app, use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for Netflix. Now click on the Netflix app from the search results. Click on the Get button to start the download. The Microsoft Store will automatically download and install the app on your laptop or PC. Once the download and installation are completed, you can launch the Netflix app from the Microsoft Store or from your Start menu. Just search for Netflix in the Windows search bar. Now right-click on it and click on Pin to Taskbar. As you can see, the Netflix app is running on my laptop. Okay, now move on to the second method, which is even more simpler. Go to any of your favorite browser and search for Netflix. Open the first website, netflix.com. Now here you just need to click on three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Click on More Tools and click on Create Shortcut. Now type the shortcut name Netflix and click on Create. Now close this page. As you can see, Netflix app shortcut is here on desktop. And that's it. Now you know how to download Netflix on your laptop or PC. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos. Thanks for watching.